Hello. Okay, so here we will be looking at how to replace sensor in the gas monitoring system, as well as the overview of gas monitoring system made by Universe. So towards the extreme right we have the inlet, that's the gas inlet from where the gas enters into the system. Then we have the air sampling pump, which sucks the air from the inlet, and followed by airflow regulator, airflow indicator, that's the flow meter. So the gas from here enters into the gas cell and followed by to the outlet. Here we will be seeing how the smart sensor can be replaced in gas monitoring system. For this we need to remove the pneumatic assembly first. So we will be removing the pneumatic assembly through the fitted screws. Similarly, we will have to open the other end through an Allen key screw. Now we have unscrewed all the Allen keys, and now this whole assembly can be detached. Now we can remove the sensor from the gas cell. And now this can be replaced by a new calibrated sensor as required. And put back the sensor, put back the sensor housing cap. Place the pneumatic assembly. Now the sensor has been replaced and the system is ready again. Thank you.